Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming specifics, your LG model and web OS version, so you know which assistant options are available. Once done, make sure the TV is online and your Magic Remote is paired because voice agents require a microphone input. Now open Settings, go to All Settings and then General. You need to be inside the system area to access voice controls. This prepares the device and account requirements, so the actual assistant change will apply cleanly and persist across restarts. Next, you navigate to Settings, All Settings, General, then the AI service or voice section where voice assistant selection lives. You pick the assistant you prefer, ThinQ, Google, or Alexa, because each offers different integrations and skills. When the TV prompts, link the corresponding account and approve permissions. This is necessary for wake words, smart home control, and responses. Make sure to read prompts so you understand data and microphone access, because accepting these enables full assistant functionality. Finally, you restart the TV to ensure the new assistant initializes properly. Then test it by saying the wake word or pressing the mic button. If recognition fails, make sure language and region match the assistant's supported settings, because mismatches block functionality. If issues continue, sign out and back into your LG account or check for a web OS firmware update and install it, as outdated software often causes integration errors. This sequence resolves most failures and gets your chosen assistant working reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.